If you're looking for a technology that will allow you to paste in some text and then generate an audio file that you can download and use on your computer for free, then the technology I'm going to show you today is the ideal technology. So I'm signed into the free tool, and the button that I want to click on is text to speech. And then I need to paste in here some text. So I've copied some text and I'm just going to paste that in. And now I've got a few voices that I can choose from. Okay, and I'm going to choose Brian. So I'm going to click on Brian, and then I'm going to click on generate speech. So I click on this button here. Now notice that you can use up to 10,000 characters. So you can actually use this with a long text. I'm going to generate the speech by clicking on this button. Now it generates the audio quite quickly. Let's listen to it.
Russell Stannard is a multi-award-winning educational technologist and founder of www.teachertrainingvideos.com.
Okay, so that's really impressive. Remember, I can choose another voice if I want. And now, if I want to download this audio, I click on this button over here, and that downloads the audio into my downloads. Now let's just check out the downloads and see if the audio is there. And there in my downloads I can see an MP3 audio file. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.